Today, we're going to play two versions of a game. One on Commodore 64 and the other on Nintendo NES. This game is called Raid on Bungeling Bay. You have a destroyer ship and you pilot a helicopter. If you run out of bombs, you land back on the ship, refuel your bombs, and then you go around and you try bombing factories. The more factories you destroy, the more annoyed the enemy gets. They start sending worse and worse things after you. It makes the game harder and harder. If you blow up all the factories, I guess you stop their war effort. I don't know. It's a Commodore game. It's not really a whole lot of story, but it's fun. Woo! Oh, if I turn on the speakers, we get sound even. Fancy. So this means that they're attacking my gunship. So that was the Nintendo version, which I believe came after the Commodore version. Oh, this is bringing me back. I love that you get a map in this version. That's my cat yelling. Shut up, Boodle. So in this version, you can land in the enemy heliport and refill your bombs. I don't know how that would work. Here they're building their own destroyer to come take out ours. But he can put a stop to that pretty easily. Look at that. The year 1999, we defeated them, and the newspaper was still only a quarter. Amazeballs. Oh shit. That's me! Andrew! And it begins again. We hope you enjoyed that glimpse into my childhood. Maybe next week we will... What was going on in the 80s? We will raid over Moscow. Yeah, that sounds like a good plan.